Hey there. I'm really excited to show you some new updates that we have been working on in VerifyiQ. One of the challenges that we have heard from customers over the years are the role settings and the role assignments within your team members. So I want to show you the way it looks now and the way it is going to look here in the near future and what that's going to mean when it comes to managing the roles and permissions for your team in the near future. So I am just going to share my full screen here. And what you are going to see immediately is what it looks like today. So today we have this manager and associates tab, and you can see all the associates. If you want to invite a team member, you basically have four roles you can assign. You can make them an admin, a manager, associate, or a sales member, and then you can assign clients. Now, these roles are also tied to the permissions that a user has within the application. So an admin has full permission to do everything. A manager has the permission to conduct reviews as well as manage clients. And then bookkeepers, associates can conduct reviews, and sales is related to the sales role. Now, we are changing the way this works to address three challenges. One, roles and permissions don't always align within a firm. Sometimes we want managers to not have edit rights, or sometimes we want associates to have edit rights. So we are separating those permission settings and giving you more flexibility. The other issue is around client assignments, because specifically in smaller firms, sometimes you want an individual to be a associate on some clients, a reviewer on other clients. And what we will allow in the new format is the ability to assign different roles on different clients for different users. I think I said three things. I was counting that as two. So I am going to switch over to this tab now. So the first thing you will notice, we've changed the tab name from managers and associates to team to better reflect what this really is. When I click on team, it's going to look similar, but you'll notice these types are a little bit different, either admin or team member. I'm going to go ahead and click team member, invite team member, where you can put name, email address, code. Code is related to if you have team member codes and want to match this up with a time and billing system or something like that, not required. User type is the first place where we have a change. You will notice now in this user type, there's three options: admin, team member, sales. Sales users remain the same. That's related to Sales IQ access. Admin users also remain the same. They have rights to do everything within the platform. And now team member is a new role where we have collapsed both associate and manager roles. So team member. And you'll notice when you select it, now we're getting a bunch of new options to select. So the first is related to user permissions. As I said, we're separating permissions from roles. So the first option is either none, meaning we don't want this user to have the ability to manage clients, or client management and user assignment. So if you choose client management and user assignment, you now have to answer one more question. So this question relates to what clients does this user have the ability to manage? They can manage assigned clients. So any client that they are assigned access to, they can assign. They have the ability to view all clients, so they can see the full client list and manage assigned clients. So this gives them view access to everything and manage just to assigned clients. Where assigned clients, they're only going to see the clients that they are assigned, or manage all clients. So this means they're going to be able to see all clients and they can manage all clients. So you have that ability to select that. I'm going to choose assigned clients in this case. Now, when it comes to client assignment, you see we now have two options for associate bookkeeper or manager reviewer. So I could actually assign this client as a bookkeeper client for this user, and then I could assign this client as a manager client for this user, because this is based on assigned clients. So in this case, I would also have the ability to edit these settings. Now I'm going to delete this out. And if I choose none here, you'll notice I now have the ability to assign all clients to an option here. So I could actually assign this user as both a reviewer or a bookkeeper to all clients. The reason why that option did not show itself when I had selected assigned clients is because if I'm selecting assigned clients, I want to individually pick that out. If I just want to give them manage all clients, I don't need to have the all clients. I'm sorry. If I select view all clients and manage assigned clients, if I choose all clients, well, I might as well just choose manage all clients here. So you have a bunch of flexibility to do all of these settings. And again, this all clients is new because this will also impact future clients that are created. Now, I want to show you one other thing. If we go back, this is the old environment. Remember, this is that old environment. And we're just going to edit a client here. And you're going to recall, you probably know this, is the user assignment. You kind of have to guess who's a bookkeeper and who's a reviewer to try to get everything set up properly in there. Well, what we've changed now, I'm in the new environment. You'll notice that, oops, I was in team members. Let me go to the client here. You'll notice that now we have separate boxes. So for the users, we can assign the bookkeepers and we can assign the managers. So now those are separate. So actually, this was that third thing that I was referring to, this third screen that we now have changed. So just to summarize really quickly, if we go into the Now Team tab, when we manage clients, we now have this team member user type. We have separate permissions and separate roles that we get to manage. And within the clients, when we edit a client and assign users, we have separate sections for the associate and for the manager users. I hope this addresses some of the challenges that maybe you have run into over time with working in VerifyiQ. We're really excited about this. We'll be rolling it out here in the next week or so. We just have a few things to refine to make sure that this is working the way that we hope it'll work for you. And any questions, concerns, feedback you have, as always, please send them my way. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much.